नमस्कार. स्पिरिच्युअल रेस फॉर द डे. बिट्टूरा लगीची आमगेले कवळे मठाचे ओल्डस्ट एक मठ. बट ते मठ हांव चमकल म्हणजे मेन तुमकां मेळचे राम सीता लक्ष्मण मंदिर. हांव ते वतना डिलॅपिलेटेड जावन आशिल्लें, आतां रिनोवेट जाला तें टेम्पल. बट I was standing there and watching the temple board and the inside temple. I didn't go inside. I was standing there and पळयताशिल्लो, why Ram, Sita and Lakshman only? Why Hanuman is not there? And that too Kavle Mata main mandir, oldest mata and oldest temple at the locality too. So I was standing there and just thinking, and the Pandit ji asked me, साहब आपको मोक्ष का मतलब पता है? हांव सांगलें, तुम्ही सांगायची म्हणून. मोहक्षय इति मोक्षः म्हणाल. जीते जीते सब मोह को क्षय करेगा तभी मोक्ष मिलता है. मरने के बाद मोक्ष मिलता है बोल के काम करना ठीक नहीं है. I realized that to enter into this temple you require to leave all the mohas. And what is the ultimate moha of an individual, a human being? That last breath should not come. Last breath away should take more. Then I realized that the Lord of breath is Hanuman. When I looked around for him, I saw 6 feet of Hanuman behind me, outside the temple, watching Ram, Sita, Lakshman Mandir. Then I understood the meaning and I entered inside the temple. I saw a beautiful Shivlinga on the earth, on the ground, connected with the earth. And Ram, Sita, Lakshman on the Simhasan there. Then I realized, when you leave all your desires, moha kshay kurno, when you enter inside the temple, you immediately go into the Shiva Tattva. But then Shiva doesn't keep you because you are alive. So immediately he tries to make you, Maryada Purushottam Ram with a kind of an attitude to love everyone, the Mata Sitas, then treat everyone as your brother Lakshman. So that Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman Mandir is nothing but to give us a kind of purity in our soul. That's what the message which I got from this Kavle Mat in Bittur, the oldest mat. I think we must visit this Bittur Kavle Mat and seek the blessings. It's so much of learning from that place. I think oldest mat and Dhruv Kila is around, and the entire civilization, even before the Banaras was, I think it was there in that Bittur area. Let's seek the blessings of Lord Shiva and Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman and Hanuman too. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much. I am Colonel Ashok Kini from New Delhi.